Good morning, Your Honor. Last week, I don't know how people need 8493. Mr. Mark. All right, Mr. Mark, can you tell me your first and last name? Then I'm going to issue a bench warrant for your arrest. You're here. I'll recognize you. You're Mr. Mark. Okay. I understand. Let me ask a few preliminary questions. I know Mr. Gazicki needs to make a record. The plain witness present at your bench trial. Okay. Okay, thank you.
Two issues. One, I'm discovered. We're here 3 weeks ago. I did receive discovery. It was like June 23rd or so on. The annotation says the 3rd of July for yesterday. We had no opportunity to go out in jail because of Mr. Mark. Today, and we have a rejected copy. According to the discovery procedures in Wayne County, the only files I can share with the defendant were rejected. As far as the video goes, I have no means to reject that to show that he gives them a copy. Today I handed Mr. Mark reject copy of the police report. I did that.
Right out of the gate, the judge threatens a bench warrant. For those unfamiliar, that's basically the court saying, play by the rules, or you're getting arrested right now. Talk about setting the tone early. Balance scale fire.
That aside, I do want to make a motion to withdraw. I got confident with Mr. Martin in the past. He's going to help with the same position I have right now. There's no communication between the two of us. There's different thoughts and procedures and so on. I cannot hear. So I'm asking the court to withdraw this morning.
Mr. Mark? Mr. Mark, did you have a breakdown with your attorney?
No, he's not doing the job, so like as he knows, he's not here to follow the story. He told him follow the institution that we told him counsel.
Okay, well, you can't dismiss the case on that. I'm asking you a simple question as it relates to Mr. Levine. Do you want him removed from the case?
As long as he's not going to jeopardize the case first, like try to do like he has to do with Johnson, or like doing German, trial, jail, probably. So I don't expect anything like nothing that's jeopardize violating my rights. But as long as he's doing, what he's supposed to be signed, I have no problem with it.
Well, you understand, Mr. Martin, I've told you this previously. Attorneys it's against the rules for them to file frivolous motions. So Mr. Gazicki cannot, as your attorney, make motions that are frivolous. And some of the motions that you previously presented to this court are in fact frivolous.
Here's where it gets messy. When a defense attorney asks to withdraw from a case, it means the lawyer feels they can't ethically or effectively represent their client anymore. Police car light, but the timing matters, because a withdrawal can seriously delay the trial. What do you think? Should the lawyer stay or go? Eyes.
Okay, I have jurisdiction. So if you're asking Mr. Gazicki to file a motion on the basis of jurisdiction, he cannot do that. Do you understand what I'm telling you?
Well, I didn't ask him to ask problems.
Well, you've asked him to file a motion to dismiss today.
No, I didn't ask him. I was going to file a motion case. Because he just used that counsel not provided.
Okay, that's not a reason for this. Okay, so Mr. Martin. Okay, denied. What's your next?
Reasons.
Okay. So, do you want Mr. Gazicki to represent you or not? Yes or no?
I would say no.
Okay, there's been a material breakdown in the attorney-client relationship based on both counsel and Mr. Mark's assertion, so Mr. Gazicki is withdrawn from the case. Yeah, thank you. Now, Mr. Mark, you have to make some decisions. Do you want an attorney appointed to represent you on this? I know you.
Unless someone's immediately right now, no, because I'm not going to allow a delay in the case to
Well, Mr. Mark. Mr. Mark. You have a constitutional right to an attorney. If you can't afford one, I will appoint one for you. Do you understand that?
Comprehend.
Okay. So here's the thing. I don't want you to say you don't want an attorney because you want to go to trial right now. Unless you have a true understanding of what that means. Because you can't go back later and say, well, now I want to appeal because I wasn't given counsel because I said I didn't want counsel because I want to go to court right now. Do you understand that?
Here comes the sovereign citizen buzzword, jurisdiction. Cyclone, these arguments usually go nowhere because courts already have jurisdiction once you're in front of a judge. Yet, defendants like Martin often cling to this as their get-out-of-jail-free card. Would you try this move? Or play it straight? Thinking face.
I'm happy to adjourn this for a week so that you can have an attorney.
Well, I sit in jail once, so I don't read things, and I can think that myself, so I can do it all things.
Well, it's not going to go on very well for you, Mr. Mark. It'd likely count for you to get an attorney.
We'll be several cases in my field for. So, regardless of that,
all right, Mr. Mark, listen to me. You understand. I want you to understand the people. Okay? Again, you have a right to an attorney in public expense. To expedite this case, put it on a docket right away. It's a bench trial. So I could get you on, next week or later this week. I'm not sure if that's possible. It will likely be next week. So that you could have a lawyer. That lawyer could represent you. And I want you to think about that. Because Mr. Mark, if you have a constitutional right to a lawyer, or represent yourself if that's what you want to do. But I need you to take some passion out of it, take the heat out of it for a minute, and think about what you want to do in a smart decision. Do you want to wait a week for a trial and have an attorney present, or not?
No, because there's no guarantee that next you're going to do the same thing. Just keep on. I know the job, I think I'm going to be late to go on, go forward.
Sure. You understand, Mr. Mark, that if you chose to represent yourself at this hearing, you're held to the same standards as an attorney. Do you understand that?
Oof. The judge basically says, you've been at this for 30 years, and look where it's gotten you. Collision, that's a polite but brutal reality check. Imagine spending decades in a law library, only to be told in court that it's not working out. Do you think self-representation is bravery or self-sabotage? Crosswords books.
Proceed litigant.
Okay, well, this isn't a formal pleading. These are questionings.
No,
well, no, it's not the same. I want you to listen. I'm trying to make sure your rights are protected right now. I'm asking you to get an attorney. You've indicated you want to proceed without one. And I'm asking that you understand I'm not going to allow you to get up here and ask questions in a way that are inappropriate with them. You can ask questions and get answers. You can ask more questions. But I'm not going to allow this to meander into something that it's not. Do you understand that?
No, I do my best. If something, comes that you let me know, whatever. But of course, I know the basics of presenting the case, being criminal or civil. So,
Did you go to college for 7 years to be a lawyer?
I was in college when I was law straight. 30 years now, count.
Okay. That's your choice. If that's, Mr. Mark, look, you and I have gone back and forth several hearings at this point. I'm not going to change your mind on things. I know that. Right? Do you have a right to a trial? You have a right to a trial by jury or judge. You've previously waived your right to a trial by jury. Is that correct?
And there it is, the jury of sovereign citizens' request. Faced with rolling eyes, legally impossible, but a classic sovereign citizen demand. At this point, Martin has rejected both an attorney and a traditional jury, boxing himself into the toughest spot possible. going solo in a trial against the state. Oncoming police car balance scale buckle up. The clash is only just beginning.
Okay. So here
I'm
we
not gonna get a jury by like a really long way. A jury of my peers would be those in the song. That was the night before inflation. Saying,
Yeah, it's, you're not supposed to go to get a judge's, I thought jury of sovereigns, I mean, that's not how it works, that's not what the Constitution requires. So you're waiving your right to a trial by jury, correct?
because like I said, I can't get a jury by my peers of some people.
Oh, okay. And are you waiving your right to an attorney?
As of now, but let's say, worst case, let's say, even if, like she was nowhere to be guilty of then my attorney to the appeal, so that.
Okay, well, I want you to know that you would have a constitutional right to have that attorney too. And if you're found,
Like I said, he's doing this.
okay,
Give that another job and hold me up on that.
that's right. Is there another officer for Steve? Can you come up? Let's see if you can stay with that.
But also, I think,
You give me a second, okay?